Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to ASF Public School. Solution and suspension. This is chapter number 7. First of all, we should know what is solution. Solution is a mixture of two or more substances. They may be two or they may be more than two. Actually, it is a mixture of two things, solute and solvent. Now, what is solvent? Solution, the two things that are mixed, solute and solvent is always in the larger quantity. It dissolves the solute. The quantity which is in more amount is called solvent. Its example is water. Solute is that substance which is dissolved in solvent. For example, if we dissolve salt in water, then salt is the solute. Example is sugar, salt, coffee. Solubility and the factors which affect the solubility. The amount of solute that can be dissolved in the specific solvent in specific given condition is called its solubility. Factors that affect the solubility. There are three main factors that may affect the solubility and its rate of solubility. That is the nature of solute and solvent, temperature and pressure. Pressure is only applicable to gases. Nature of solute and solvent. In this similar substances can dissolve in each other. यानी कि polar solutes जो होते हैं वो polar solvents पे dissolve हो सकते हैं. Non-polar solutes they try to dissolve in non-polar solvents. We can also say like dissolves like. Temperature also affects the solubility rate. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर हमारे पास जो दो चीज़ें हैं सॉल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट जिसको हमने मिक्स किया है और सॉल्यूशन बनाया है उनको हम मिक्स कर रहे हैं तो उनकी जो सॉल्युबिलिटी का रेट है वो टेम्परेचर के बढ़ाने से बढ़ जाता है. टेम्परेचर बढ़ाने से सॉल्युबिलिटी इंक्रीज होती है और अगर टेम्परेचर ड्रॉप किया जाए ड्रॉप हो कम हो तो सॉल्युबिलिटी रेट भी कम हो जाता है. Pressure also affects the solubility rate in gases. If we increase the pressure, the solubility of gases is also increased. This is also called Henry's law, in which solubility of gas is directly proportional to the pressure of the gas above the liquid. The next topic is molarity. It is actually to show the strength of the solution. Molarity is also known as molar concentration. Its formula is the ratio of moles of substance to the volume in liter. The next is molality. It is also the strength of a solution. It is the ratio of moles of substance to kilogram of solvent. Here is the formula of molality. Number of moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kilogram. This is the end of the chapter 7. Now again I will give you a slide of the questions which you have to do in your copy. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.